Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last night I was watching something on YouTube with my daughter and an advert for a donkey sanctuary popped up. And this advert had very moving music. It had pictures of donkeys left out in the snow and the rain, their hooves uncut, the donkeys looking starving. And at the end of the advert, my daughter looked like she was going to cry. As she said, I'm almost tempted to start sending them money every month. That advert really tugged at my heartstrings. If you say something tugs at your heartstrings or tugs at the heartstrings, you mean it makes you feel pity and it makes you feel sadness, often because it wants something from you. So, as you'll have noticed, I'm sure, advertisers often use mothers and babies because they know that this is a really good way to tug at the heartstrings. Maybe there are some songs that always do you in, some songs that really cause you to kind of well up and get emotional. And maybe when you're listening to one of those songs, you might say, oh, I don't know why, but this song really tugs at my heartstrings. It always does me in. It always brings a tear to my eye. And maybe if you've ever found yourself in a particularly dire financial situation, you might write a letter or an email to somebody explaining the terrible situation you're in, laying it on thick, tugging at the heartstrings, in the hope that maybe they'll send you something for free or let you get out of paying for something or, give you a discount or something like that. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use tug at the heartstrings.